This concludes the third lecture. We've started by looking at the script context type and in particular at the txinfo type that gives us all the information about a transaction that is visible to Plutus. Then we have discussed time, how time is handled in Plutus, and how it is possible to keep Plutus contracts deterministic while still taking the current time into account. We used that to look at an example of a vesting contract. And after that, we talked about parameterized scripts, scripts that depend on one or more parameters. Then we switched to off-chain code. So we saw how one can write a DApp using Lucid to interact with the vesting contract we defined before. Finally, we saw an example of the use of reference scripts to make transactions smaller.